Hello everyone. So myself P. Arun, Assistant Professor, EC Department, R&D Engineering College. Welcome to this video. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about the applications of microelectrodes, which is used in the biomedical instrumentation system. So So before we are going moving to that, we are going to discuss about the applications of electrodes and types of electrodes. First, we need to understand what is the purpose of electrodes. So we need to understand what is the purpose of electrodes. We need to discuss about the generalized medical instrumentation system. In this biomedical instrumentation system, this exact block diagram explains what are the components or what are the blocks used in the generalized medical instrumentation system. So the source of the system is human body. The human body have lot of biological signals. Those biological signals can be measured by using this sensors for this biomedical instrumentation system. So the sensors is a very important device it is used to measure the physical signals of the human body, and this physical signals is converted into electrical signal, and it's sent to the display devices or output recording devices. So intermediately from human body to display devices, what are the blocks are there? The sensors are transducers. These sensors as transducers is made up of by using electrodes. These electrodes measure the physical value or biological signals of the human body. This measured value it has in order to the low values. It may be millivolts or milliamps, and it should be in the microvolts and microamps of voltage and currents. This voltage and current signal, low value signal, is amplified by using preamplifier. Most probably, all the biomedical system they used instrumentation amplifier and other some amplifiers. High gain amplifiers should be amplified the sensors output. After the amplification is sent to the signal processing device. The signal processing maybe it is having that algorithms or programs in the appropriate applications. This signal processing output will be supplied to the display devices, data storage devices, data recording. So this is the overall biomedical instrumentation system. So all the biomedical instrumentation system like ECG, EEG, EMG, scanning, MRI. So it should be working in this similar basics. Yes. Let me move on to the electrodes. So there are a lot of types of electrodes used in the biomedical instrumentation system in the medical field. So the types of electrodes majorly classified here three types of electrodes. Body surface electrode, it is used to measure ECG, EEG, EMG signal. And the second type is needle electrodes. The needle electrodes can be used to measure EEG and EMG signals, and microelectrodes it is used for potential used to measure the potential from the neurons or brain cells. These microelectrodes directly inserted into the cells. So we are going to discuss one by one, and also we discuss the applications of this each type of electrodes. The first one, body surface electrodes. This body surface electrode, it's having four types. One is the metal plate surface electrode, suction cup electrodes, adhesive tape electrodes, floating electrodes. So I need to show here. So these are the types of metal plate electrodes. So the first one is the metal plate electrodes, and the second one is the adhesive type electrode, and this is the suction cup electrodes, right? So these are various types of surface electrodes used to measure ECG signals and EEG signals. So this is the detailed diagram of about the metal plate electrodes, suction cup electrode, adhesive type electrodes. It is always used to measure this ECG and EEG signals Particularly, it is used to measure the ECG signals. I will show the applications images, right? So this metal plate electrodes using this lead wire and lead wire terminal and rubber belt. This rubber belt cover the surface of the body, and this using this lead wire terminal, it gets the data. And suction cup electrode also used to do lead wire and rubber bulb. So based on this this rubber bulb, the values are measured. This is the this place is touching to the human body. So this is the exact suction cup electrodes what will be available in the market, right? It should be connected to get the ECG signals. And this is also one of the famous adhesive tape electrodes. It is also used to measure the ECG signals. So next image I will show you how it is used. So these are the lot of sensors or electrodes used to measure the ECG signals like suction cup electrodes, adhesive tape electrodes, and some metal electrodes here used to do here into the fingerprints like that. And this is the exact application used in the biomedical instrumentation system, ECG measurement system. In this image, it shown us the suction cup electrodes is arranged in this ECG measurement system. So this suction cup electrode is connected to the ECG recorder and printer. So it will take the ECG electrocardiogram output in the printed printing. So it should be for diagnosis, right? And it is same for ECG measurement, right? So this is the some principles are there how to arrange the electrodes in this form, and it considers the seven lead system, three lead system, two lead system like that. Here it is used the adhesive tape electrodes used to measure the ECG signals. The same this lead wires are connected into the ECG recording setup. You get the ECG waveforms.